Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today we're gonna be working on a challenge in continuation with trying to make this car look just a little bit better. I reinstalled the seats. That came out really good. Now we're gonna install something else that I think is gonna make the car just look a little bit better. So let's go to it and I can show you guys exactly what I got. I went ahead and ordered some door sills for my car. This is the part number. And now I'll show you exactly the way they look. Come nicely wrapped. And oh, I can even get this out. And look at that, guys. That looks really nice. Challenger. So these were a little over $100. They're not that thick, they're actually fairly thin. So we're gonna go ahead and install these into the car. But I think they're gonna make a nice addition to it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on the car right there. Pretty much we have 3/8 of an inch on each side of this piece of the door sill, the plastic door sill. And from what I measured on here, the difference is from this length to this piece of plastic right here was 3/4 of an inch. So took away half of that, 3/8 on this side, 3/8 on that side, and we should get it pretty much centered. So what I'm going to do right now is going to get some tape, and I'm going to go ahead and put like just a piece of tape just on this side and right here, just to give me a guide, so when I'm saying this by hand, you know, I don't mess up. Let's get my tape measure. It's gonna be a little tricky, but it's not too bad. We're just patient enough, and we go inward 3/8 of an inch. I think it's right there. Just a slight pressure so we can make sure. We're gonna double check the measurement, and we have. It's actually like half an inch. It needs to go back just a hair. So I have these tape lines pretty much where I wanted them. I am using just regular electrical tape right there, and on this side it's just some Gorilla tape. I made a little jig, so I'll making sure that everything's exactly 3/8 off the edge, because when you look from the top down, it does look pretty standard if I use 3/8 of an inch measurement from here to there. So this is the measurement you're going to use, and pretty much let's go ahead and install this door sill. Everything's cleaned up. I used some lens cleaner to get all the residue that was there from the wax, and we should go ahead and put that on. All right, let's go ahead and take off these little slits for the double-sided tape, and this should be good to go. So you pretty much only get one shot at this, so be very careful when you're setting it down. Make sure you get it right on the lines. And okay, I'm good here. I'm good here. Everything looks good there. I'm right off on the edge and slowly put it down. So once I put it down, that's it. This is not moving. And that's it, guys. That looks pretty good. What do you think? So you pretty much got to do the same to the other side, and check this out during the daylight. Polish all the paint around it because I scuffed up a little bit of it. Just do a little bit of polishing after this sets in, and you guys check it out tomorrow in the morning. It was nice and sunny. All right, so the sun's out, everything's nice and bright. I think right now would be a perfect time to show these door sills, but I'm gonna have to move the car to the sun just to get a better look at it. But before that, guys, let's go ahead and do a cold start. Moved a little bit more into the sunlight. Let's see how it looks. Woo! I love that. Man, it looks really nice. You can't really open the door too much. Let's see, how's that? Yeah, you see that, guys? I'm really digging that. That was good. Go ahead and give me your guys' honest opinion. I'm really curious to see if you guys like these or if you guys think it's a little too cheesy. But I'm really curious. What do you guys think about these? Would you guys put these on your car? Let's check out the other side. There's a little bit more sunlight on that side. All right, so now this is the other side. We got more light over here. Really looks good. So that's pretty much it for this install, guys. It did take me like an hour because I was really cleaning everything up, making sure the paint underneath was nice and shiny, and then I cleaned that off, and then so I just wanted to make it look as nice as possible. I don't want any scratches underneath the metal because I know it's going to be a little tough to clean and polish behind here, so I thought it would be a good idea just to polish it, remove the wax, and install it. It came out real good, and I thought, you know, it really pops. I really like it. And that's it, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much more to the car. Just probably some repairs, things that need to be done, you know, basic maintenance on this car, but I love this car. Let's go ahead and rev up the engine a little bit. I know you guys like listening to that. And with that, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time.